Hey everyone, let's check out the HODRANT Hanging Camp Utensil Organizer for your next outdoor adventure. This portable bag features secure buckle straps to hang easily on tents or tree branches. The upper section fully unfolds to reveal 9 slots and mesh pockets for all your cookware. Below, you will find a paper towel holder and secure pockets to keep plates in place. The exterior includes extra storage for phones and a magic tape area for your favorite decorative badges. Its compact design makes it the perfect lightweight companion for family picnics or rugged hiking trips. Upgrade your camp kitchen today with this versatile and durable storage solution for every traveler. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.